you an Amazon seller navigating the chaos of e-commerce without a compass? You might be doing a stellar job managing your account, but without an experienced eye to confirm it, your strategy could feel like shouting into the void. That's where I come in. With 10 plus years of Amazon expertise and over 100 accounts managed, I provide weekly Amazon seller success reports tailored specifically to your business. These reports go beyond surface level insights. They include detailed audits, actionable steps, and confirmation of what's working. My aim is simple: to ensure your efforts are as valuable as they seem, or even better. Think of me as your personal Amazon navigator, ensuring you're always on the right course. Whether you're crushing it or need fine-tuning, these reports will provide the clarity and confidence you need to scale.